surrender our rights and wrongs? Can we just for one night let the stars decide where we belong? Maybe heaven right now is a devil or angel away. That won't change. Together we vow that our colors will sparkle the fame. And I will find you. I will find you. I will reach you. I will lose my mind. Lose my mind. Lose my mind. Lose my lose my mind. Lose my maybe heaven right now is a devil or angel away. That won't change. Together we vow that our colors will sparkle the fame. And I will find you. I will find you. I will reach you. I will lose my lose my lose my
Go, 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 go! This is how I show my love. I made it in my mind because I blame it on my ADD, baby. This is how an angel does. Blame it on my own supply. Blame it on my ADD, baby. Maybe I should cry for help. Maybe I should kill myself. Blame it on my ADD, baby. Maybe I'm a different breed. Maybe I'm not listening. So blame it on my ADD, baby. Sail.
But niggas are CLD, won't even get pulled over in they new V. The good life, let's go on a living spree. Shit, they say the best things in life are free. The good life, it feel like Atlanta, it feel like LA, it feel like Miami, it feel like NY. Summertime shy.
Now throw your hands up in the sky.
So I rolled the good, y'all pop the trunk, I pop the hood, Ferrari. If she got the goods and she got that ass, I got to look sorry. Yo, it's got to be cause I'm seasoned, haters give me them salty looks. Lorries, 50 told me go ahead, switch the style up. And if they hate to let them hate, watch the money pile up. The good life,
Now throw your hands